Welcome to Gurudeva online classes. Dear students, in previous class, I had solved exercise 8.1. Now I am going to take the next point. See here, finding the increase or decrease percentage. Dear student, we have seen so many places when we going to the market, in so many shops, sometimes decreasing the percentage, decreasing in the discount percentage and increasing the discount percentage. In that moment, how we can find out increase or decrease percentage? Dear student, let us see. I will take here some examples how we can find out when increasing percentage and how we can find out when decreasing the percentage. First example I am taking here. The price of a scooter was 34,000 last year. Here it has increased by 20%. Next, this year, what is the price now? No. Dear friend, let us hear. The price of a scooter was 34,000 rupees last year. It has increased by 20%. In this year, that is 20% increase. Okay, we have to find out here what is the price now. Okay, let us see solution here. Now we can write here, it has increased by 20%. Now we can write here 20% increase, 20% of rupees given here 34,000. Okay, now you can write this one, 20% mean out of 100. 20 out of by 100 into 34,000. Now when you cancelling here 20 get cancelled. When you multiplying here 340 into 20, you will getting here 6,800. Okay, dear students, this is the increased price, increased amount. That is the 20% here. Okay, next new price. New price is equal to old price plus increase. Now old price how much here? 34,000 rupees and increased here 6,800. When you be adding, you will getting here 40,800. Okay, this is the new price. Okay, by this method we can find when we getting the increased any price. Okay, this is the one method. Dear friend, if decreased mean, how we can find out? If decreased percentage mean, how we can find out? Let us see another example here. If 5%, reduction mean, how we can find out? See, here we can find out reduction, or we can write price of scooter, that is given here 34,000 rupees. Next, reduction given here 5% of 34,000 rupees. Now we can write this one like this: 5 by 100 into 34,000 rupees. Dear student, I am taking here 100 because we have here percent. Okay, here out of 100, 5% here reduction. Okay, so I am taking here 5 by 100. Now you cancel here 20 get cancelled, remaining 340 into 5. When you multiplying 340 into 5, you will getting here 1700. Okay, this is the reduction. Next, new price, we have to do here subtraction. Okay, from old price we have to do subtraction to find out new price. Okay, reduction. What is the old price here? 34,000 rupees minus reduction here 1700. When you are doing the subtraction, you will getting here 32,300 rupees. Okay, this is the new price. Okay, by this method, when we have reduction, by using this method, we can find out how much here decrease the percentage. Okay, dear student, next point I am taking here finding discounts. Dear student, discount. How we can find discount? Discount means reduction of the prices. Discount is provided by shop to attraction of the customers. We have seen so many shops, those are providing discount to attraction of the customers. We can find discount from the mark price. We have to do subtraction sale price from the market price. Okay, dear student, now I am taking here an example here how we can find discount amount. Let us see an example here. An item marked at 840 rupees is sold for 740. What is the discount? Discount and discount percentage. Solution. Dear student, example 2. An item marked at 840 is sold for 714 rupees. What is the discount and discount percentage? Here we have to find out here what is the discount and discount percentage we have to find out here. That is the solution here. As I told, discount we can find by market price. We have to do here minus. We have to do subtraction. Market price minus sale price. Okay, here market price, that is the 840 rupees minus sale price 714 rupees. When you do the subtraction, you will get in here 126 rupees. This is the discount. Okay, this one is the discount. Now on market price, that is 840 rupees, and the discount, that is rupees 126 rupees. Okay, now we have to find out here on market price of 100 rupees, how much will be the discount? First we have to find out here for 100 how much discount. Now discount is equal here 126 out of 840. We have to multiply with 100. Now when you multiply here 126 into 100, you will getting here 12,600 by 840. Now 0 will be cancelled. Here 84 ones are 84, remaining here 42. When you multiplying again 84 into 5 is 420, completely cancelled. Here discount is 15%. Okay, so next point I am taking here estimation in percentages. Friend, for example, when you going to the shop, when you buying any items, any goods, dear student, your bill in the shop, that is 577 rupees 80 paisa. If shopkeeper providing you 15% discount, if shopkeeper giving to you 15% discount, how will you finding how much we have to pay to the shop? Dear students, how would you estimate how much amount we have to pay to the shop after reduce the discount? Okay, this point we have to find out here. Let us see here, dear student, if your bill is 577 rupees 80 paisa, here shopkeeper providing to you 15% discount. Discount is here 15%. Dear student, first you round off which is the nearest tens. Okay, see here 77 means nearest is 580 rupees. This is the nearest price. Next we have to find out here for 10%. Here given here 15%. First we have to find out here 10% how much. See 10 out of 100, 10 by 100 into 580. Here 0 get cancelled, 10 get cancelled. Here we got here 58 rupees. This is the 10%. This is the 1. We have to do here off. Then you see here of 1 by 2 into 58. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, remaining 18. 2 9s are 18. Completely cancelled. We got here, that is the off is 29. This is the second. You add here this one, we will getting here adding 1 and 2. When you adding, we will getting here 58 rupees plus 29 rupees. 29 rupees. When you adding, you will getting here 87. Okay, 87 you will getting here. Dear friend, we got here 87. This is the discount amount. We have to reduce here from 580. See, when you doing the reduction, when you doing the subtraction from 580 rupees minus 87, you will getting here 493 rupees. This is the amount we have to pay after discount 15% to the shop. This is the next point I am taking here. Prices related to buying or selling or profit or loss. Okay, this next point I am taking here. Prices related to buying and selling, here profit and loss. See here, first point, finding the cost price, selling price and profit percentages and loss percentages. How we can find out? Okay, let us see an example. Sohan bought a second hand for 2,500 rupees. Then spent 500 on its repairs and sold and sold it for 3,300 rupees. Find is loss or gain percent. Okay, dear student, here given here, Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for 2,500 rupees, then spent 500 on its repairs and sold it again for 3,300 rupees. Here we have to find out here loss or gain percentage. Okay, dear student, let us see solution here. Cost price. Now cost price is equal here, cost price 2,500 rupees and he spent to repair, that is the 500. This is the expense. Now when we add it, we are getting here 3,000 rupees. Total 3,000 rupees. This is the cost price. Okay. Now we know selling price. Sale price we know, that is he is selling again this one 3,300 rupees. 3,300 rupees. This is the selling price. Here, selling price if greater than the cost price means that is the profit. Okay. If selling price is lesser than the cost price means that is the loss. Here, selling price is greater than cost price. So this is the profit. Now we can write here selling price greater than cost price. He made profit here. He made profit. Okay, now 3,300 minus 3,000. When you do the subtraction, you will get in here 300 is the profit. Now we have to find out here how much amount on profit. How much profit on 100. Now let us see here. We can find here profit is equal 300 rupees by 3,000 rupees into 100. We have to find out here profit percentage. Now here we got here 300 is the profit. Now here 300 is selling price is 3,000. Now when you cancel here 20 get cancelled, 0 cancel. When you multiplying, you will getting here 3 into 10 30 by 3. 3 1s 3 10s. Profit is 10%. Dear student, you write down this formula one side in your notes. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price. This formula we are using to find out profit percentage. Okay, dear student, in today's class I solved so many problems related to profit percentages and discount. Dear student, remaining points I will solve in tomorrow class. Thank you.